कैसा रहा आपका दिन?
It was very good. I enjoyed.
Enjoyed what?
I enjoyed the cycling. I enjoyed the movements. I enjoyed beautiful scenic views. I enjoyed your company.
How about the ticket?
It was a great masla, but it's also a blessing in disguise.
That we got a new ticket
Yes, we get a
With-
new ticket.
with the extended like
Yeah,
six
extended
hours
7
or
hours.
7 hours.
Extended 7 hours.
Yeah. And
great.
what was the logic? Like you both, oh sorry, we both lost the ticket at the same time.
It shows that how careless we are
Simultaneously.
simultaneously, and in one sense we got to know that we have a very good company of each other, but it has a very negative dimension also, that we both have this bad habit of losing keys, tickets and things like that. So yeah,
So you like
it's a
cycling?
blunder in that sense. Yeah, I love cycling. I enjoy, and I'm enjoying the scenic views.
It's good, but it's kind of like not so good because most of the time it's underground.
Yeah, here it's underground, but if you go in the trains of South France, it's amazing. You always have a sea-facing views, and I enjoy. I'm literally, like yesterday we were there in Samagam, so it was also a great memory. What about you? How you felt? It was first time for you?
Yeah, it's good, but we are kind of late every time.
Yeah.
This thing sucks, but it is what it is.
And I'm hoping forward to attend today's Samagam, although we are late.
Samagam would be at 6 and now it's 6:22.
6:22. I hope to reach there.
And what will be you wearing today?
I will be wearing kurta pajama after a long time.
Yeah.
What about you?
That will be a great experience.
Yeah. We will be dressing up in a very ethnic way
Yeah.
with our traditional dresses.
Traditional dresses in Zurich.
Yeah. So that would be a great feeling.
Is this your station or you
No.
have to wait for the next one?
I think next.
Yeah,
Next to-
it's in the
it's not that
basement.
Yeah. No, it's not that.
So you feel any difference in Zurich and Nice?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have been to like many places like Amsterdam and
Yeah.
Paris with internship.
No, I'm not lucky like you that you went everywhere with your internship. You came here to collect the data. Oh, sir, very sorry.
But you also went to Amsterdam for
Yeah.
the same purpose.
Yeah, that was a kind of different internship.
That's also the same kind of thing.
Yeah, that was a very good experience. Zurich has a different kind of.
So you think like Zurich is better than Nice?
No, I don't think so. Every place has its own importance and different kind of good things.
So you think like you must have noticed most of the European cities have the same vibes. You feel any difference?
If you have, I think that after 4 to 5 years, I can see this, that every European city has same vibe. But now it is very new for me. Like I can say it's a new for me because I'm traveling for the very first time. So I can see the differences. Maybe after 5 or 6 years, I will say that it's the same vibe.
So
But for now, it's like I know that it's.
So
a lot of
your
difference.
bilingual skills have more than bilingual, like
Yeah,
trilingual or polylingual
polylingual.
skills have helped you a lot
Oui,
today or
ça
not?
m'aide beaucoup. Aujourd'hui aussi. I know that some people know French here. I
Like
don't know
today,
English.
You asked for the cycle
Yeah.
address in French.
Yes.
You talked in your Hindi with your fellows,
Yeah.
and you have used your English skills also.
Yes. So it's always good to being able to speak more than one language.
So you are so good. You are good in French, like
I think I can
communicate a bit.
communicate nicely. So it's good.
So
And
can
I
you?
feel confident while talking. So it's
Can you sum up something in about the today's journey from the start in French, a bit in short?
Oui, pourquoi pas, c'était nickel. Aujourd'hui, on a fait beaucoup de choses, comme on a fait du vélo et après, il y avait beaucoup de choses à voir, des montagnes, des fleurs. Il y avait des gens qui jouent au piano
C'est bon.
dans les rues, c'était bien, c'était nickel. Et on a aussi pris un bateau
Oui,
au lac.
c'est bon, c'est bon.
Oui, donc c'était bien.
Comment allez-vous?
Oui, je vais bien, tranquille.
Merci, de rien, de rien.
Et vous, vous allez bien?
Oui, ici.
Ici bien?
Oui.
Ok.
Okay, that's so nice. So you are waiting for now for your next stop. Every minute is like an hour for you, because when you are in a hurry
Yeah.
and you have to reach somewhere,
We have to
so every minute counts.
attend a Sufi event. Today it's a Sufi night.
Yeah, we have to be in the front row, but still we are in the wrong train. No,
Yeah.
sorry, now we are in the right. But it's also like you never know, like one wrong train can set you in the right path.
Maybe.
Like
like
maybe
today,
it's
like today, we lost a ticket.
tickets, please.
But
We lost 2 tickets.
we lost, both of us lost a ticket. And it was such a kind of a situation.
You enjoyed the boat ride?
Yeah, I enjoyed the boat ride. I enjoyed clicking the photo of other people there, because some of them asked me to take their photo. And
So
after
you-
that, seeing that we both of us had lost our ticket.
So in short, we can say that you sit in the boat just to click photo,
Yeah.
and then get out.
Yeah.
But thankfully, like we don't travel a lot.
Yeah.
It was just in the next stop. And it was
We just demounted the
It's-
next stop.
it was kind of like 5 minutes journey back.
Yeah, for us. But for others, it was for around 30 minutes.
So you have any plans for your tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow we are going to picnic, I think. I hope with Satguru Mataji. So
We will be like in the public transport, or they are having
I don't
something?
know. I think both of us will be good for us because we have a good
Yeah, we have a pass with the extended 7-hour package.
Yeah, so it's good, and I think we are going to enjoy tomorrow. And yesterday also it was great. We danced
Yeah.
and we enjoyed some spiritual congregation. You give it to me and tell me your experience of yesterday's Samagam.
It was very new, very special. Like you never know. We also in Islam, we also have a Sufism concept. Like you can hardly differentiate between the concepts because it's the intermingling of the souls and spirituality. Both talk about the spiritual awakening and eradicating your egos, your deeds, your desires. So you have to enrich your spirit so that the higher you get, the more broaden your view is. That was so nice. And the best thing is, like, it in the world of so chaos and hatred and conflicts, this congregations and this meeting was kind of like a meeting point, like
Uniting people.
like on one thing and another people cannot unite, but in this kind of thing, like, people can unite. They have a common grounds.
Yeah.
So it was so nice.
Yeah, common grounds, and yes, it's all about spreading love, brotherhood, and oneness.
Yeah.
Yep.
I guess you are near to your destination. That's your hall 622.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah.
So you have to hurry. It was nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Have a nice
You also have
30 minutes plus.
You also have to get down here only.
Ah, okay.